Welcome to this tutorial on sentiment analysis with Apache Spark. Today, we're diving deep into how to use Spark's powerful capabilities to analyze and understand sentiment from text data. Whether you're a data scientist, developer, or just curious about data analysis, you're in the right place. First, let's briefly discuss what sentiment analysis is. Sentiment analysis is a computational method used to determine whether a piece of text is positive, negative, or neutral. It's widely applicable in fields such as marketing, customer service, and social media analysis. Now, let's explore the tools we'll be using. Apache Spark is an open-source unified analytics engine for big data processing, with built-in modules for SQL, streaming, machine learning, and graph processing. In this tutorial, we'll set up a Spark session, load the dataset, pre-process the data, train a sentiment analysis model, and finally evaluate and visualize the results. To get started, ensure you have Apache Spark installed. You can download it from the official Spark website. Additionally, we will use Scala in this tutorial, but feel free to adapt it for Python or R as necessary. Let's begin by creating our main Scala application. Open your favorite IDE and create a new Scala project. Now, let's import the necessary libraries. Next, we need to create a Spark session. This is our entry point into Spark functionalities. Here's how you can do it. With the Spark session set up, let's load our dataset. For this tutorial, we will use a simple CSV file containing text data and sentiment labels. Make sure you have a file named sentiment_data.csv in your project directory. Here's how to load the data. Let's take a quick peek at the data we just loaded. We can use the show method to display the first few rows. Now, our data contains two columns, text for the tweet content and label for the sentiment, 0 for negative, 1 for positive. We will proceed to pre-process the text data to make it suitable for analysis. The first step in pre-processing is to tokenize the text. This means we will break the text into individual words. Here's how to implement the tokenizer. Next, we will remove stop words from our tokenized words. Stop words, like the, is, and at, are common words that may not carry significant meaning for sentiment analysis. Let's check our data again to confirm the pre-processing steps worked. The next step is to convert our text data into a numerical format that machine learning algorithms can process. We'll use Count Vectorizer to create feature vectors from our filtered words. Now our dataset is ready, and it's time to split it into training and testing datasets. This is done to validate the model's performance on unseen data. Next, let's create and train our logistic regression model. We will create a logistic regression instance, fit it with our training data, and make predictions on the test data. Let's evaluate the model's accuracy using the multi-class classification evaluator class. We will calculate the accuracy of the predictions. To understand better how well our model is performing, we will also display some of the predictions alongside the actual labels. Now, you might wonder how to save our trained model for future use. Saving the model enables us to reload it later without having to retrain it. Here's how to do that. To load the model later, you can use the following code. We can also visualize our results for better insights. One way to do this is by creating a confusion matrix. While we won't build a full visualization in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can generate the data. As we come to the end of this tutorial, let's summarize what we have accomplished today. We imported necessary libraries, set up a Spark session, loaded and pre-processed data, trained a sentiment analysis model, and evaluated its performance. Feel free to experiment with different datasets and models to enhance your learning. There are numerous resources available online to help you delve deeper into sentiment analysis and Apache Spark. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials on Spark and other data science topics. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Happy coding!